You're gonna have to bear with me here. This is like right beside a main road. This is Austin's Texas Hot Dogs in Tipton, PA. The sign back here behind me says rolling Wednesday through Sunday, 11 to 6. Super basic menu. Fries, chili, hot dogs. Just like you'd expect. Big flat top grill. And they're just banging through them. 2 hot dogs and a soda, $8. I mean, I was in there maybe, I don't even know, a minute from the time I ordered, waiting for them to put my order together. I mean, they wrap them like subs, like a legit hot dog joint, you know what I mean? Kind of something like you'd find in old cities. This is like, there's not too many of this kind of thing around this area. I got this one with mustard and onions. They loaded it with onions. I'm going to take some of that off. Woo! I got you in the back of the tailgate here because there was people in there. I didn't want to make it weird. Mustard with onions is okay. I'd probably order it again. Probably could cook a little longer. Excellent service though. I mean, fire service. Never seen anything so fast. There could probably be 50 people in this parking lot to go inside, and they'd burn through that. Like, just because you drive by and see that there's a million cars here, that would never discourage me from stopping after what I saw in there. I've never been here before. Drove by it a million times. This one here, I just got chili on. They call it sauce. They just say sauce. I don't know the terminology. I'm not regular. It might be after today. Now this one, we'll see. Yeah. If you like chili or sauce, that's the one you want. The mustard and onion was okay, but if I was giving them like a score, the mustard and onion's probably like a 6, and this is more like an 8. People pulling in, looking at me like I'm crazy. I think that's about a wrap. Stop here if you're coming through.